Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Guys, today's video is gonna be about a hairstyle that my client chose. It's two claps. So the hair she showed me was just straight weaving, straight cornrows all to the back, which I wanted to do, but she said no, 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 don't do that. Try and be freestyle on my hair. She asked me to freestyle on her hair rather than make exactly what I saw, because sometimes I try to want to be careful with how I make my client's hair. Some of them, when they say they show you a style and you try to freestyle on the hair, they complain about it. So since she gave me the permission to freestyle, I was glad to do that because I like it. I like it. So guys, I continued to freestyle on the hair. I was just making cornrows all to the back, trying to freestyle as much as possible. And when I started the freestyling, I was liking how it was going, and I was like, oh wow, let's keep going. Let's go. Let's keep going, baby. So I was just trying to freestyle anyhow I caught it, anyway, anyhow my mind tells me to do it. Anyhow my mind told me to do it, I was just doing it. And that's one thing about freestyling. You don't just um carry go to a school and be learning how to freestyle. How do I say? However it comes to your mind, just keep doing it. You'll be amazed how the hair will turn out at the end when you finish. So I was just freestyling, and the more I freestyled, the more I liked what I was saying. Then I kept on going because I believed in myself. I kept on going. So I was cornrowing the hair all to the back just with her natural hair. So the style is actually two claps. The middle part of it is straight parts, and the side I just tried to freestyle on both sides, but the middle part of the clap was straight. I finished one part and then I went to the other part of the hair to continue my freestyling, and then I was trying to be as patient as possible. Freestyling on cornrows takes more time than just making it straight. So I had to sacrifice my time to do what will please me. And then the part of it that got me excited the most was the fact that my clients loved the hair. You know, there's the satisfaction that comes with your clients, knowing that the clients love it. So although money will come at the end of the day, but that satisfaction that comes with knowing the fact that the person you made the hair for actually love it is really satisfying. I love it so much. It encourages me to want to make hair more. So I think I'm doing much of talking, but anyways, let's keep talking. So I kept on making the hair with just her natural hair, trying to avoid her frontals, but I picked the ones I could pick and left just a few hair in front in case you want to lay edges, and kept on making the cornrows. If you want to learn how to make cornrows, you want to learn how to freestyle, you just have to adjust the settings from your YouTube, because I think the video may be too fast for you, but if it's too fast, you can reduce or adjust the settings from your YouTube. If you are using a laptop or if you are using a phone or whatever device you are using to watch, you can adjust the speed of the video from the settings. Okay, so when I finished the hair, I braided the tip. I got extension, and I used it to gather all the tips together to make it two cornrows, so that it will come out a bit better. Because right now I was just making the cornrows with her natural hair. That was how the style. If I have a picture of the hair she showed to me, I will insert it somewhere on this video, so you see what I ordered versus what I got. If I killed it, if I nailed it, you'll tell me in the comment section. So, guys, if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions or any opinion, anything you have to say, please say it in the comment section. Guys, please, please, I want to appreciate for all of us that have subscribed to the channel. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, do hit the subscribe button, share the video, give the video a big thumbs up if you have learned one or two, or if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, share the video, drop a comment, and do all other good stuff, guys. Right now I'm about to finish this hair, and for that, if you notice, I did small braiding in front of the hair. Those the front of the hair, I braided four box braid or so, I don't know, but this is the finished, nearly finished half of the hair. So this color tip which you're seeing here, braided I used I cornrowed it down. I got all the ends of the hair together in one cornrows, just like I'm doing right now. It was really difficult for me to hide the colored part of the hair, but anyways, I only was able to hide a few parts. I was able to hide the hair to the best of my ability, and then she asked me to sew the tip together so it doesn't disturb her baby, and it doesn't disturb her when she's sleeping or disturb her when she's cooking or doing any other thing. So I just sewed the tip of the hair up, and it actually came out nice. It came out nice, sincerely. If you think of any other better way that I would have done this tip, let me know in the comment section. So this is how it came out after sewing the tip, and this is the finished look of this hair. Guys, if you think that I nailed it, let me know in the comment section. Just write something to. I like it when I read from you. I like it when I hear you give me a comment. Please, guys, share this video. If you know one or two persons that would like to rock this hair, share it with them. So I call it the tip of the um, braids I did in front, just to spice up the style. So this is the finished look. I'll see you guys again in my next one. Until then, guys, bye.